This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none.
Good morning, guys. Kate and I just got finished walking. It's like 8 o'clock right now, so we were out the door nice and early this morning. We've got a whole bunch of fun plans for the day, and we hope that you stick around to see what we do.
So this is actually the place that me and Nathan took our announcement photos for when when I was pregnant with Caden. We ended up putting the camera on one of these poles and just setting the self-timer. It ended up being the best pictures considering we had other people take our pictures and they just didn't turn out very well.
Alright, so we finally made it up to Mesa Falls, and let's go see the waterfall. Alright, we're getting ready to walk down to the falls. To the falls.
Caden's first time seeing the waterfalls. He's just loving it, can't you see? Nathan's teaching Caden how to become a grill master.
Got some cheeseburgers. We mix the cheese in to the ground beef before we cook it up. That way it stays nice and cheesy on the inside. We've got some brats going. We're gonna have a good dinner. Okay, so we had a surprise visit this weekend from Taylor.
Hello.
He's from back home, and he currently lives in Utah, but decided to come up here to spend Memorial Day with us.
This little guy is so tuckered out. He's had a long day with hiking and looking at the cool waterfalls and grilling and learning how to grill. And I put him in the wrap because he was being fussy. And he is completely knocked out to the point where I was able to untie the wrap and look at this little sleepy face. Got his little mouth open. I really don't think I could wake him up. Wakey, wakey, bud. It's bath time and time to eat before bed, and he is completely zonked.
Today has probably been one of the most fun days that we've had in a while. I mean, all this past week doing the videos, we've had a lot of fun. Last week we got to go to Reed's Dairy. The last time we were up at Mesa Falls was when we were taking pictures for Caden's announcement. And this time it was a lot more fun. I think our camera skills have gotten a lot better. And we just had a lot of fun today. Taylor came up here and it was really awesome to hang out with him. We got ice cream after we went to the falls and got giant foot-long corn dogs. And we just had a really good day.
After putting Caden to bed, I've had the opportunity to kind of just hang out and reflect on my week. It's really got me thinking about how grateful I am to have started this journey of vlogging. I was definitely scared to start doing this. I wasn't sure if people would just think all my videos were silly and that there was no point, but as I've reviewed the videos that we've taken this week, some we've put in our videos to post to you guys and some we have kept for ourselves. I'm so grateful that I get to have these memories and these special little recordings of Caden as he smiles or giggles or sleeps, and it's just so sweet to have this, to hold on to these memories forever, and to have these videos that I can show Caden when he gets older and to keep for myself to remember all the sweet times I've had with him. The only thing I can say about this is that I wish I would have started sooner. I would have loved to get Caden from the moment that he was born and have memories and videotapes of all the wonderful, sweet little things that he's done. But I definitely think that I'm going to continue to vlog. It's been a wonderful, wonderful first week.
Well, I hope you guys had a fun time going on this adventure with us.
We sure had a great time.
Yeah, we can't wait to take you on more and more adventures every single day.
So we hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend.
And if you liked the video, like it below. And if you want to keep following our videos, please subscribe.
And share with your friends.
Yeah. Hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend.
See ya.
Good night.